Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be adding in some more plant life to my 55-gallon aquarium. I'm going to be placing Christmas tree moss on the main branch as well as a log in the back right corner. To get started, you'll need to spray the tank down, focusing on the pieces of wood where you'll be placing the moss. Once we have the moss placed where we want, just grab some fishing line or super glue, whichever you prefer. I decided to go with fishing line. I'm just going to take small pieces of it and tie the moss to the branch. This is simply to secure the moss so that it doesn't float to the top once the tank is full of water. Now, just repeat this with every piece, tying the moss down in a few different places. So I have all the moss placed and tied to the main branch. So now we are just going to repeat with placing and securing the moss onto the back log. As you can see, we've got the moss placed and secured in different areas, so we are ready to fill the tank. Now that the tank is full, you can really see how much it has come to life since I began working on it a few weeks ago. Like I said, this moss will grow and cover most of the main branch as well as the log in the back right corner. The Glosso plant is also going to start to thrive now that we have added water back into the aquarium. I'm going to let this aquarium cycle for a few days, and then I'll make a video of me stocking the aquarium. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button if you did, and also subscribe to the channel for future updates on this planted aquarium. Thank you all for watching, and have an awesome weekend.